If the idea of maybe reducing your utility bills or reducing the workload on your HVAC unit is something that appeals to you, you might want to listen to this. My name's Ken Bailey. I'm with Trinity Roofing and Construction. We get a lot of calls from homeowners that are interested in upgrading their windows and doing different things to improve the efficiency of their home. But one of the most fundamental things that a lot of people overlook is the importance of having proper insulation levels in your attic. That's something that we can take care of for you. It starts with a very simple complimentary inspection. We look at your current insulation and your R value. We look for leaks in your attic, oftentimes around attic doors and things like that. And so that's something that we would be more than happy to come out, take a look at, and then let you know what options you might have available, or in some instances, you may be in good shape and not need anything additional. But it all starts with that phone call and an inspection. So give us a call and we'd be happy to come out and help your family. Thank you.